Today we're at the Pueblo Weisbrod Air Museum to take a quick look at the Bell Model 47 H-13 Sioux Helicopter. Citations in the description. The H-13 Sioux was a military designation for the Bell Model 47 helicopter made famous in the TV series M.A.S.H. It was one of the earliest helicopter designs and was produced for the U.S. military between the late 1940s and early 1970s, with over 5,000 units produced. Designed as a light utility helicopter, the aircraft served from Korea to the early Vietnam War. Its use as a weapon was limited, although it's been noted to carry rockets, anti-tank missiles, and .30 caliber machine guns. And that has been a quick look at the Bell Model 47 H-13 Sioux Helicopter. Explore, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.